Hey everyone, welcome to video tutorials. Today I'll show you how to add the legs for the drawer, okay, for chest of drawers. So I've already created a box with 5 height segments, and now I'm gonna extrude out the part that would for the legs. Okay, so what I do is press alternate, click and drag middle mouse button to arch rotate, then click on polygon selection mode, as you can see here. And click here to select the polygon at bottom. Right click, select extrude settings. I think we'll change the height to 4 cm should be enough. Then click OK. Now right click again, select inset settings. Let's change the inset amount to 2 should be enough. Then click OK. Okay, let's zoom in using a mouse wheel so you can see more clearly. Okay, now right click, select extrude settings again. Let's decrease the height to -4. And click OK. Alright, before we use the slice plane to cut out the edges, we need to select polygons where we will slice the edges or add the edges to using a slice plane tool. So make sure you're in polygon mode. Make sure you select you're in crossing selection mode, which is this indicated by this icon. Okay, then go to front viewport, click and drag out to select partially this part. Okay, make sure it's in all back facing so that you also select the back part here. Right click on perspective view, press alternate, click and drag the mouse button, and you can see that the front, bottom and back polygons have been selected. Now we click on slice plane. Okay, right click on front viewport, use the mouse wheel to zoom out a bit, click on rotate button, now press E to select rotate tool, select angle snap, or press A to select angle snap, click and drag to rotate 90 degrees, then press W to move it, click and drag to move it to approximate position. Okay, let's change the value. Let's change the value to -24 and click on slice. Change it to -22 and then click on slice. Change it to -20 and click on slice. And change it to -18 then click on slice to add 4 edges altogether. Okay, now let's move it to the next approximate position here. Okay, let's set it to 24. Okay, this assumes that the object has been positioned at the center of the origin. Okay, now set 24, then click on slice, then new edge, set 22, change it to 22, click on slice, then another edge, change it to x equals 20, then click on slice, then third edge, then change it to 18, then click on slice to add the fourth edge. Okay, now click on slice plane to deactivate slice plane, click anywhere else to deselect the polygons. Okay, so if you zoom in, you can see you got 1, 2, 3, 4 slices. Okay, 4 extra edges, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now right click on perspective view, press alternate middle mouse button. Okay, now click on this polygon, then press Ctrl and click on this polygon to select multiple polygon. Now make sure move tool is selected. Right click on front viewport, click and drag to move the polygon up. Okay, right click on front viewport, use the mouse wheel to zoom in a bit, click middle mouse button or mouse wheel to pan. Okay, click on vertex to select vertex mode. Let's click and drag to select the vertices here. And click and drag, use the move tool to move this up. Click and drag again to select all the rectangular marquee to select these the vertices there. Next, then alternate click and drag the mouse button to arch rotate, and there you see I've added the legs for the chest of drawer. Okay, so we can just repeat the same thing for the sides to add the legs at the sides. Okay, so thank you for listening.